Good morning, student. Today we are going to start our fifth unit. The name of the lesson is Helen Keller. All of God's works are wonderful, and human being is one of them. When God made us, He gave us different senses as a gift. God created us with five senses. For example, sight, smell, hearing, taste, and touch. We can read and write easily, but Helen had lost her power of listening and watching. Here, Helen had lost the power of listening and watching, means Helen could not hear or see anything. Instead of these obstacles, she became a famous writer. She could not go to school. She had no friends, but she had learned more and more from her teacher, Miss Sullivan. Now I am going to tell the summary of this lesson. Helen was born in June 1880 in Alabama. Her parents loved her too much. One day, Helen was suffering from high fever. कि एक दिन हेलन को बहुत तेज बुखार हो गया था. Everyone in the family tried to help her to get better. There was no hope to survive the baby. वो इतनी बीमार हो गई थी कि उसका बचना ही मुश्किल हो गया था. Helen lived after her illness, but Helen became deaf and blind after her illness. Means she could not see or hear anything. कि बेटा हेलन जिंदा तो रही थी, लेकिन वो अपनी सुनने की और देखने की जो पावर थी उसको खो चुकी थी. Her parents wanted to do something for Helen, but Helen grew wild. Wild means do bad behavior with others. She is locked inside herself. She was not able to tell anybody what she can do or what she wants. कि ना ही तो वो किसी से बात करती थी और ना ही किसी को कुछ बताती थी. Her schooling was not possible because there was no schools to teach such students, deaf and blind. Because Helen became deaf and blind now. She did not allow anyone to comb her hair, and even her clothes were not changed. Those were left dirty because she did not allow anyone to do this. Helen became an irritated person. When she got angry, she lay on the floor and kicked her feet. Kicked her feet means पैरों से मारना. कि जब वो बड़े गुस्से में आती थी तो जमीन के ऊपर लेट जाती थी, फिर पैरों से मारती थी. Her parents found a teacher for her. Her teacher name was Miss Sullivan. Miss Sullivan was very strict but kind. She tackled Helen with love. Firstly, her teacher gave a doll to Helen. Helen could not see the doll, but when she held the doll in her hands, then she spelled DOLL after her teacher. Helen ना तो डॉल को देख सकती थी, और बेटा उसने अपनी टीचर, जब उसकी टीचर ने डॉल को हेलन के हाथ में दिया तो उसने अपनी टीचर के पीछे पीछे बोलना शुरू कर दिया. एज हर टीचर स्पीक्स द लेटर DOLL and Helen also repeat these letters after her. Miss Sullivan spelled the words with her fingers into Helen's hand. She made the letters with special hand signs. She spelled a lot of words for Helen on her hand day and night to make her understand. Understand means समझाना. और उसके टीचर ने उस हेलन के साथ दिन रात मेहनत की थी. You see in the picture, हेलन की जो टीचर थी वो हेलन का हाथ पकड़ के उसको पढ़ा, जो लेटर्स की फॉर्मेशन और उसकी शेप जो थी उसको बताती थी कि ऐसे इसको बनाया जाता है और ऐसे इसको जो लेटर है इसको ऐसे बोलते हैं. हेलन लर्न टू स्पेल WATER when the teacher put her hand into running water. As you can see in the picture, जब उसके टीचर ने हेलन का हैंड रनिंग वाटर के नीचे, ये देखो फाउंटेन चल रहा है एंड वाटर इज रनिंग देयर, हेलन की टीचर ने उसका हाथ पानी के नीचे कर दिया. तभी हेलन को ये समझ आ गया था कि जो कुछ गीला गीला उसके हाथ से होकर जा रहा है वो वाटर है, वो वर्ड वाटर बन जाता है. She understood that words were the most important things in the world. They would tell her everything around her. अब हेलन को समझ में आ गया था कि वर्ड्स बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग है. वर्ड्स के द्वारा ही वो सारी चीजों को समझ सकती है. So students, we should be thankful to God for giving us so many blessings. As you have read in the story, Helen had learned the word with special hand signs. You can see the picture. All alphabets A to Z are shown with hand signs. Such students who are deaf and blind, they learn the words by using this sign language. Okay, thanks.